Are you dreaming of a better life in Canada? Well, in 2025, Canada has rolled out a game-changing opportunity just for you. If you've got hands-on experience and the right qualifications, your path to Canadian permanent residency just got a whole lot easier. In this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about the major changes to Canada's Express Entry program in 2025. Plus, I'll show you why this year might be your best shot at moving to Canada, even if your CRS score isn't super high. Right after this intro. Welcome to Terrific World. Are you a fan of our videos? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching. Recently, Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, better known as IRCC, announced that they've expanded the trade category under the Express Entry system. The number of eligible trade occupations has grown from just 6 to 25. That's a major shift aimed at filling labor shortages across Canada. Here are just a few of the newly prioritized jobs: construction managers, cabinet makers, cooks, industrial electricians, heavy-duty equipment mechanics, welders, painters, and decorators, construction estimators. And that's just the beginning. These jobs were selected because of urgent labor shortages across provinces. You can see the full list at the link in the description. To be eligible for the trade category under Express Entry, you need at least 6 months of continuous full-time work experience or the equivalent in part-time within the past 3 years. This experience must align with the official NOC code and job description for your trade. On top of that, you still need to meet the basic Express Entry requirements, such as language proficiency, proof of funds, and an educational credential assessment if you studied outside Canada. Here's the best part. Thanks to this targeted stream, many tradespeople are now being invited with lower CRS scores. For example, welders and cooks are receiving invitations to apply with scores as low as 450, whereas other streams still demand scores above 500. That means you have a much better chance of being selected in 2025 than in previous years. Now let's walk through how to create your Express Entry profile, the very first step toward immigrating to Canada. Step 1. Take your language test. You'll need a minimum score of CLB 5 to qualify for some trades, but CLB 7 or higher will help boost your CRS score significantly. Step 2. Get your ECA. If your education was completed outside Canada, you'll need to get your credentials assessed. One of the most popular services is WES. Step 3. Create your Express Entry profile. Go to the official portal, create your account, input your personal details, and submit your profile. Once submitted, you'll enter the Express Entry pool and receive a comprehensive ranking system, CRS score. Step 5. Wait for an ITA, invitation to apply. If your occupation is in the new trade category and your CRS score is competitive, you may receive an invitation to apply in one of the upcoming category-based draws. At this time, you'll need reference letters and work experience documentation and proof of settlement funds. To wrap up, if you're a skilled tradesperson and have been thinking about moving to Canada, this is the perfect time to take action. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more immigration updates, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on major news like this.